How to create an Outlook calendar invite. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create an Outlook calendar invite. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and head over to Outlook. So make sure you're logged in into your Outlook's account. And now you will need to start writing a mail. So tap on this new option. You can tap on the drop down new button. And from here, select event. After you select event, this page will open up where you can add a title. So let's add a title. I'll just write if test invite. Then if you want, you can toggle this button on. That will be Teams meeting. If it's Teams meeting, toggle this button on. After you do that, you'll need to invite the attendees. So type in the mail. You can select from your suggested contacts. And after you've written that, you will then need to select a date, then a time, and also an ending time if you prefer it. And you can also make it reoccurring. After you've done that, you can select a location. You can choose in-person's event or whatever you want. Then simply write a body paragraph, whatever you want here. I'll just write in some random letters. And on the top, you'll also find response option where you can request response, allow forwarding, and if you want, you can hide the attendee list as well. Then there you will see an option that says busy 15 minutes before and many other options. You can make some edits here if you want, and then finally send the mail. Now this will go as invite link and this will also ask them to add the event in their calendar. And that's how you do it, guys. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.